Hey guys, this is Andrew for TrendLineses.com. I'm a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I've been working for several big investment banks like HSBC or Commerzbank. And I've just started to make some YouTube videos where I share with you guys all my experience. And I try to show you what are the different techniques that work for me and for what reason and how to use them. So if you want to know how to read the markets and which stock you should invest into, because I'm here to discuss all of this stuff that you can find everywhere on the internet, on Reddit, on Wall Street Bet, on Twitter, and I'm there, I'm hanging out there, and I try to pick up the list of stocks that for me look bullish. So if you want to know which one I think are going to go higher, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. So today I want to talk about SKT. So you can see this is my short list. So very quickly, guys, I'm here, on Twitter and, Wall Street Bets. So I've been showing you guys this already in my previous videos, and I'm analyzing all the stocks that I see, and I'm trying to share with you guys my levels, my support level, my resistance level, and I'm trying to tell you if for me it is a good or not. Here is my short list. I think that all of those have interesting things to do. Doesn't mean you should just buy it. Let's discuss this first. So once again, guys, I'm very focused on the market capitalization and the short interest. Market capitalization makes the stock a possible target for these guys that hang out on these forums, and as they did for GME, as they did with AMC, and as they want to do with many more stocks. And the short interest is very important to notice as well, because this is what might create a short squeeze. So once again, guys, what is happening for the stocks is that they have earnings, going lower. You can see, for example, this is SKT. All right, so the earnings are just dropping heavily. GOGO is same thing, guys. So this is the reason why the hedge funds are targeting those stocks. And I'm here to tell you guys what I see. I think that it's some nice levels to buy. But once again, if you have some short interest that is massive and a low market capitalization, this makes it possible for a short squeeze. So let's start with SKT, guys. So this one, I have two different information. So, the technique I use, I love like being on a logarithmic scale and doing some trend line. When the trend line is broken, retested, then it means that a lot of people see it and it might create some momentum. So here we had this downward sloping trend line that is in green because it is now support that has been broken, guys, broken here, retested, and we went higher. So this makes it strong. Then I had another one that is actually that I can do on the longer term. All right, doing the same, using the same method, and this one has been broken but not retested. I mean, it didn't hold, so it makes it resistance. So we are a bit in a gray area here on the stock. So I would be a buyer around, let's be precise, guys, around 11.80, stop loss at 11. Take profit a bit at 14.60, so you can at least not lose money. If like you make some money here and then you got like stopped later, at least you locked some of your profits. And then of course what we're targeting is the higher move, guys. So here, buyer at 11.80, taking profit at 14.18, and then the next area of resistance, I just try to see where I have some consolidation. So here we had some, all right, so that's why you can see this was resistance. So it hasn't been broken on daily. You see, it never closed above this, all right. Here it closed here, and here it closed just below. So this is 18, our next major resistance level. And then second one is here. This one is not that obvious, but somewhere here. So guys, what I would do, because I'm not here to give advice, what I would do is that I would split on the different stocks I'm showing you guys here. And I would split this into between those different targets. All right, don't put everything into one, split, and just try to make smart trades. So buy low and sell high. It seems obvious, but trust me that some people, they're both here. All right, and you don't want to be there. You don't want to buy just because of the FOMO. You buy because you did your analyze properly and you follow your own method. All right. So SKT, as I said, buyer at 11.80, taking profits at 15, 18, and 26. Now, GOGO. So this one, same thing, earnings going lower. It's a target for the hedge funds. They're shorting the stuff massively. We have 44% of short interest. Once again, guys, a firm like Apple has only 1%. A firm like Tesla, where you have a lot of short interest, has 5%. So guys, when we have something around 44, guys, it's a lot. All right, only 1 billion of market capitalization though, so it makes like the cash short position easier to hold for these hedge funds. But once again, if all these guys from Reddit and Wall Street Bets and all these forums, stock tweets, they go here, they can move the price, they can have an impact. So GOGO, this one is quite nice, guys. When I say it's nice, it's because I can see that the waves are clean. You know, you don't have that, you know, for example, this is not nice, you see, this is ugly. So this one, I'm just showing you this to show you what I don't like to analyze, all right? When I see this, I'm like, all right, I'm off the stuff. It's not clean. The reactions are not well done, all right? So it's not good to make some trades, you know, you can get stopped, you know, they have fake breakouts every time. So this one, once again, same technique, downward sloping trend line. We broke it, retested it. So here the maximum level, you see, that was here, guys. This is the reason why here it has retested this level and we went higher. We didn't go as low as 7 or 720. We went to 8 only. So it shows that like there are a lot of buyers in this market, and actually it's too late to enter this one, guys. So don't buy it right now if you're not long. You can see that here, you see up. This is a level where people start to take profits. So wait for retest. Wait at 8, guys. Don't buy it here. And you can do the same stuff. If we go higher, we retest, then it becomes support, then it will turn in green, and then you can buy it here. But guys, it's not the right time. We don't have a buying signal at this time. We have a selling signal here, right? So this one is not good to buy, but it has all the potential to go higher. But don't buy it here. Buy it at 8 and stop loss just below, all right? All right, so I'm done for those two. SKT is nice to buy, but lower. And GOGO is nice to sell. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the sub, like, and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I talk about this stuff. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.